Now we're going to talk about 5 benefits of outsourcing an IT company. The first one is reducing overall IT costs. So when you hire a IT person in-house or IT people, that's a lot of overhead, and you can reduce those costs by hiring a outsourced IT firm where you're only paying a small monthly fee or project-based fee, so you don't have that overhead cost in-house. The other thing is increasing efficiency. So a lot of times, if you're in the IT department in-house, you'll just get stuck doing those mundane things over and over, doing the same things, and there's no backlash because it's just been that way the whole time, and that's just the way things are. But with outsourcing, the company needs your business more than you need theirs. So you're always going to be their utmost priority. They're going to take things very seriously and handle them with the most efficient manner and do that as quick as they can for you. Next is the flexibility. So if you only have one IT person in-house or a couple IT people, that may limit your skill set and what you're able to accomplish. But by hiring an outsourced IT firm, you can, in the vetting process, see what kind of specialties they have in-house. What kind of projects are you looking to do, and where do those skills align with the company that you're looking at. Next is it allows you to focus on your business. So while you hand this off to the outsourced IT company to manage that, of course you need to still be in communication with them, but this allows you to take that other energy and refocus it on running and growing your business. And lastly, allows you to change things that don't work really easily. If things really aren't working, you can go ahead and terminate that contract and go find another IT company that'll do the things that you want them to do. Or, a lot of times IT companies, including Managed Solution, offers consulting services. So if something isn't working or you'd like to see something else, use those consultants and their expertise to decide a new process and adapt and change on the fly. So, with an outsourced IT company, there's a lot of room for growth, efficiency, and reducing costs. So check us out at ManagedSolution.com and see how we can help you today.